Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm hungry. What am I going to do? I'm making fish quesadillas right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making fish quesadillas. And don't worry, this time I'm not going to change it to something else. I actually got the right size. Burrito cells, taco cells, whatever you want to call them. Now, the George Foreman grill is already preheated. Now, you can use a frying pan or a skillet. Just take a little bit longer. Now, I went ahead, I had leftover fish, so I chopped it up. It was just that battered fish you get at Walmart. Added some great value taco seasoning to it. Now, you got your tortilla shells, or taco shells, whatever you want to call them. Now, I had these in the refrigerator. And what I did was I put them on a paper towel and just warmed them up in the microwave for 30 seconds. So let's go ahead. We're going to put one on. Okay. You want it about halfway. Let's go ahead and put some fish on it. Now you can use whatever you want, fish, ground beef, steak, whatever. Original diced tomatoes with green chilies. I have some leftover cheese. Also have the Fiesta blend. Use whatever cheese you want. On there. We're going to be using the classic iceberg salad. Put that on there. Flip this over. Now if you notice, I have it folded this way. That way as the cheese melts, it melts into the quesadilla instead of down the drain, down the George Foreman grill into the drip tray. We're going to do it about 30 seconds. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds. Look at it. Now, I want it a little more brown. We're going to get a little fancy with this and just turn it a little bit. Do it another 30 seconds. Now, if you're doing this on a frying pan or a skillet, you're going to have to, what you do is you put it on the skillet, put all your stuffing in, flip it over, let it cook for a while, probably a minute or two, check it, and then by flipping it, and do it to desired doneness. I like it this way because it does both sides at the same time. Gets done a little bit faster. Check it again. Oh, maybe just another 30 seconds more. Okay, that was another 30 seconds. Take it out. Yeah, you can see how it firmed up. Now normally I'd let this cool down before I cut into it, but due to the sake of video, I'm going to cut into it now. And there you go. Now, as you can see, this took just a few minutes. It's something quick, simple, easy. Like I said, you can use steakums, fish, chicken, whatever you want. It's quick, it's easy. I mean, you get to have the family basically make their own dinner. Like, the kids can decide what toppings they want on it, close the grill. I mean, the younger ones, some adult supervision, we don't want them to get burnt. But it's something everybody can make, everybody can enjoy. It's quick, simple, easy. Top with some sour cream or some sriracha or salsa, whatever you want. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button in one of these corners up here. And as always, thank you for watching.